today I will show you how to activate the Google Workspace through a license account. Google provide you 14 days to make a test without any cost. So let's see step by step with me to activate the Google Trail license. Firstly, you need to search the Google Workspace Trail license start the setup and click this one for start the setup. And then uh, learn more and sign up. And then this one you can see the information that Google Workspace can provide you with the Trail license. That they can provide you with the starter package, standard and plus package. So I will go to start package first, and then click create new account, and then provide the business name. My business name is Shun Tate, and the employee in your organizations. How many employees? For me, I choose 2 to 9. And my locations and the text Thailand. And this one is the admin of the Google Workspace. So you can provide your name and the email, the current email. It is your personal email because uh, if you have any problem with your uh, uh, Google Workspace, it, it will uh, help you to like query some information related to your personal, and then click next. And this one, uh, here you wish to uh, using with your existing domain or your create new ones, you can choose. Okay, I we use the existing domain first, and then click continue and provide the uh, domain name. My domain name is corporate.com. Click next, and then click next, and provide it is the first user that you have to create with your custom domain. So I will create my first account. That's my name and password. And this will take this one to get any announcement or news feature. I click agree and continue. It may take a moment to activate your account, and then it is a sign in of the Google. So you can sign in with uh, your account with your custom domain and provide the password that you have created. Okay, for this one, we need to provide the phone number uh, to activate the account. So I will provide the phone number. Uh, my phone number Thailand right now. So 848323 825 So if we send you already used too many times, right? Okay. Let me change change to another one. Okay. If we send you the verification codes, and then you need to type here zero H3. Okay. And then click I understand. And this one is the price that we charge you after the transaction expire. So click try for free for 40 days, 14 days. And it is a process for checking out. You need to provide the cards, payments to add payment methods, and it will uh, activate for you, and it doesn't have any charge until the trial license is expired. So uh, you need to put card here. So here's my card. I will review and check it. Review and check out. And this one is the if you wish to add more user to your Google Workspace, you can add here. If you don't want right now, you can skip for now. And then click Start it. And this one require you to verify uh, your your DNS uh, server is your domain. So you can do it as a manual verification or sign into right to the uh, Google domain. Or if you use GoDaddy or other provider, you can log in and do it manually. So I use Squarespace for my domain, so I can sign into Squarespace and then click confirm, and then it will try to verify the uh, Google the domain, and then it is for the uh, set up the BKIM. It is for email delivery. We can skip right now because right now we just activate the Google Workspace for serialization only. Skip for now. And this one, uh, click choose. I'm not sure yet, and then not sure yet. Okay, it is the recommend that you need to the check up that you need to like the IT need to set up like enable the two-factor to use Gemini or something. So we can go to admin console or to see the Google Workspace console. And here is the Google Workspace console that we have activated. So you can see in the left side here, we can see the directory that represents the user group, organization unit, OUs, building resources. Like you can set up the building, the room, and you can control the device, like Chrome device and other devices. Mobile and device also have they have provided apps. Uh, and this one is the billing and subscriptions, and you can see that we have activated business starter, right? So here is the business starter we have activated, and we have assigned it to one user. It's my accounts uh, that already assigned it. You can click here to see more detail. So you can see that we have used one license assigned it, and monthly bill. The paid service start in 13 days. So the next uh, 13 days, it will start uh, billing with your account, with your user license. And it is the that we count, and it's for the first 20 users. The price is uh, we got discount 15%, 50%. But for more than 20 users, the price will increase to full price. So for all users, after uh, the this date 6 February, it will charge to 325 baht, around $10 per month. So you can see this builder is smart, right? It's smart because it will charge start count from February to March. And if you wish to upgrade the uh, from business starter to other, you can click upgrade here. That will uh, upgrade to from business starter to business standard or plus. So that's all for uh, this video that we that I have shown you how to activate the Google Space Realization for 14 days.